Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm swatching the Holo Winter Shimmers collection. So this collection has a gorgeous shimmery textured box and includes 2 cream polishes and 3 iridescent shimmer toppers. The first polish I'm swatching is Lavender. This is a pretty lavender shade that has such a nice rich formula, so you will definitely get full coverage in 2 coats, which is what I did. Next up is Shady Navy, which is a true navy color. This also has amazing coverage, and the only reason it wasn't a one coater is because I did a slightly thinner layer, but when I applied a thicker layer to my other nails, I got full coverage in 1 coat. Now I'm going to show you each shimmer topper over Shady Navy. First up is Twilight Shimmer. You only need 1 coat to see the effects, but I actually did 2 for all the toppers just because I love extra shimmer. This one is so gorgeous and has blue and purple shimmer over the darker base color. Next is Celestial Lights, which shows up mainly green over a darker shade, but also has purple at certain angles. I think that's what's so fun about these shimmers is the variety and different effects that you can get. For the last topper over Shady Navy, we have Polar Princess. This one has beautiful pops of pink into gold. Also, be sure to leave a comment letting me know if you have any favorite combos once you finish the video. So that's it for all the toppers over Shady Navy. Now I'm going to show you each topper over Lavender. I'll be doing the same order as before, so here we have Twilight Shimmer. Now over the light purple base, I'm definitely getting an icing effect, and the other 2 toppers also give off that effect, but in slightly different ways. Next we have Celestial Lights. So now this one has pink and green shimmer and it's just so pretty. This really reminds me of unicorns for some reason, and out of all the toppers over Lavender, I think this one might be my favorite. And finally we have Polar Princess. This still has pink into gold shimmer, but it's just a bit more subtle over the light purple base. So that's all 3 toppers over Lavender. I also swatched all 3 over black and white to see what they look like, so I'll show you that now. I love how drastic the difference is when you go from a dark base color to a light one. There's just so many combos you can do with these. Alright, that does it for the Holo Winter Shimmers collection. I hope you enjoyed seeing these swatches, and thanks so much for watching!